Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video we will talk about conditions in the element settings. Alright, so we are at our demo project here, and as you know, anything in Titan you can set conditions on. So for instance, if we have some input fields over here and we go to the element settings, we have the condition tabs. And what you can do from here is absolutely amazing. So let me just show you another element. So for instance, we can put like a text, say a subhead, put it over here. And if we go to the settings, we can set conditions on this one as well. All right, so let's do a quick demonstration here. So I'll click configure conditions, and from here I can add any condition I like. So this is currently my field. So I'm saying form field text, lead last name, and let's say if it contains hello, and let's say, for instance, that the company also contains hello. If both of them contains hello, we can do select our and or, and you can obviously use brackets. You can do it complicated. You can get as complicated as you like, and you can add more rules as well. So if you want to have multiple rules, like you can set that as well. And we can also support the opposite, and I'll explain a little bit about this. So let's say if you say that last name contains hello, and you do support opposite, and then you configure the condition and you say hide or show another field. So if it doesn't contain hello, it will do the opposite. So if we said contain hello and then we do support the opposite and we hide and show in the email field, for instance, then if it's hello and we're showing it, then it will hide it if it doesn't contain, and vice versa. Okay, so we have here a simple condition. So last name and company name both contain hello, then let's configure the result. And from here you can do a bunch of stuff. You can redirect, you can show a message, send email, post a message, execute JavaScript, you name it. You can also run a Salesforce action. So whatever you have, either a get that runs on a custom action, you can run it from here, or a push, you can run directly from here. So we have a push, for instance. Let's say if they both contain hello, I can run a Salesforce action. So this is very, very powerful. We can also affect other elements. So for instance, we'll say that just to make sure we have the subhead, I'll add a tag to it, but let's just say that I want to set the first name. And what I want to do with this one, I'll set the value, and you can also set value from. You can just feel free to explore it. It has a lot of powerful tools here. So we can do show, hide, enable, disable, you name it, activate, set color, set background color. We will do set value. And we can also, like I've mentioned, we can set value from another field as well. So we can just like copy it. In this instance, let's just do a simple set value. And let's say that will be good. And let's apply this. And let me just give this one, we'll call this and I'll go back to my condition. And I'll say HP subhead, and let's do run animation, and let's say rubber band. I'll hit apply and apply and apply. Before we preview this, let me just show you another cool thing here. So we see once I click on the condition, I see where it's used. So right now, if I'll click on this, I can see where this field is used in a condition. For instance, if I'll click on the first name, I will see that it's affected by a condition. And then we can click over here and automatically go to the condition that affects this field. And if you have multiple conditions affecting this field, it will show up right here. If we'll take a look at the company field, So we can see that it's used in a condition right there. This is a very, very easy way to find what's running condition, what conditions are running on your fields, or on your buttons, any element, or where it's being used. So this is really powerful. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview what we've done. So I'm just going to click the preview field. And let's scroll down and I'll say last name, hello. Nothing happens yet because the condition didn't meet, since we did that both of them need to contain hello. And if I'll move into the next, I see that my first name is good and the subhead ran animation. And this is how it's done.